How you doing, ladies and gentlemen? I'm coming to you to give you my review of the alarm that I just purchased, which is the Spy 5000M. I purchased it on eBay, got it for a reasonable price, and I just installed the alarm. So this is just a review of the alarm and its features. I will be doing a follow-up video on how I wired it. People was having problems with the remote start, kind of a whiz. So all that was figured out in a day's time because the instructions they give you is garbage. So I mean, if you got your owner's manual, you would probably figure it out. But you know, you got some people that just not hip to all the little shapes and colors and words, and what goes here and what goes there. So I'm gonna make this a lot easier for you. Okay, let's go ahead and get right to it. Show you how I did mine. Well, that's in a follow-up video, but this is just the review to show you what I did. Alright, this is the bike here. Kawasaki zx10 R. Now, let me tell you, this okay, this install will be for all the new models as well. It's simple. Well, it was simple for me, but this is the bike. Here's the keypad. Alright, this is the to arm it. It's in silent mode, so I'm gonna take it out of silent mode. Alright. This is to disarm it. You have let me see. You have a light, an indicator light that comes with this as well. There's one guy on YouTube. He actually mounted his right here, which I didn't like. So what I'm going to do is mount mine in the inside of the tail, where the tail will blink blue. Alright. And also, people was having trouble with the alarms staying off. Again, if you don't hook up the brown wire, you will have trouble. I mean, just like the guy told you, try to ride your bike and you get down the road, all of a sudden it rearms itself. That's the reason. You have to hook the brown wire up. Okay? Of course, you know about all the features that this alarm has to offer. And let me see. This is the main feature everybody was trying to install, was the remote start. Uh-oh. Alright. There it is. Should have did it on the first one. Oh well. That's to show you that I did get that function to work. Walk up here. it back off, just simply hit the top button, and that sets everything back down. In order to get it to where you want the alarm to completely stay off, like when you get off of it, you tap the top button 2 times. It would chirp 3 times to let you know that you have to arm it by hand now, instead of it rearming itself. That is a feature that comes with the bike, so you won't get off the bike and not arm your bike. So again, remote start is working. Alright, now, just like I said in the next video, the anticipation will be over. I will reveal how every wire is supposed to be ran. It's simple. You will need a resistor. People on the forums are not letting you know what type of resistor you would need. You would need a 100 ohm resistor with a 1/4 watt. Again, a 100 ohm resistor with a 1/4 watt. That will sufficiently let you bypass the alarm, well, bypass the immobilizer for your alarm. Alrighty. I'll be getting back with you with the next video. Thank you.